Today we will show you how to temporarily pause updates in Windows 11. While Windows 11 updates are automatic, they can easily be temporarily paused through settings in Windows 11. When you pause updates, new Windows feature updates won't be installed for up to 35 days. Pausing updates cannot be repeatedly used. Once the time lapses for each pause period, updates will have to be installed before pausing is enabled as an option again. Here's how to pause your updates in Windows 11. Right-click on the Start button, typically found at the bottom of the screen. Then click on Settings. From the Windows Settings page, from the list of categories on the left side of the screen, click on the Windows Update option. From this screen, next to Pause Updates, you can pause for 1 week at a time, for up to 5 weeks. Clicking on the drop-down here will present the available options. This pause automatically goes into effect once picked. If you wish to resume updates early once this is selected, simply click on the option to do so that now appears on this screen. If you choose the Resume Updates option here, it will automatically check the latest Windows updates as well. We hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and products from the best computer store in the world.